So welcome back to the channel. If you are yet to subscribe, you should click on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So this is our CAD JPY. Now to zoom it out and see what the trend is. The clearly can see that our full trend on CAD JPY is literally on a ranging market move. So market is ranging with this level. Now let's zoom it in and see our current movement. Clearly can see that currently market is ranging within this movement here. That should not take us forward. So market has rejected from this R resistance. Market is now giving us a series of higher and higher low. So this movement will continue to tap a level of 109. Currently CAD JPY is trading at 108. Expect a little bit of a pullback and then another continuous movement till it taps a level of